Salam sejahtera and hello everyone. We are from group LT3 and we are guided by lecturer Madam Ying Chen. I am the group leader, Derek Ling, and these are my teammates.
Hello, I'm Yo Min Chen.
Hi, I am Pilsen Hong.
Hello guys, I'm Lin Xian.
So now we are going to introduce our group innovation, which is Trigonometry, with the title of S.A.P.S. Mastery Trigonometry.
Y sama dengan 2 sin 2S tambah pi tambah 3? Oh my god! Macam mana nak lukis ni? Apa step yang Madam ajar Okay, pasal macam ni. Ingat tak ingat?
Okay, equation ni apa ni? Y sama dengan modulus ada negatif pula, ada 2x depan. Lepas tu ada tambah 3. Tak faham lah. Apa?
So we also noticed that the question of trigonometric graph sketching appear in exam, no matter in S.P.N, matriculation, S.T.P.M or A-level, and frequently confuse candidates. Stop guna desmos lagi ya. Guna je lah S.A.P.S.M.
Apa tu S.A.P.S?
Tak pernah dengar S.A.P.S ke? Itulah cara terbaru untuk melakar graf trigonometry. Kita tahu lagi. Marilah saya introduce tentang S.A.P.S ni.
The objective of this innovation is to help students solve problems while sketching trigonometric graph by using S.A.P.S and app.
And in this innovation, we create a website that included the ways to apply S.A.P.S.M, Desmos application, and gamification by using Genially. And you can just scan the QR code below to enter our website. So, what is S.A.P.S.M? Is it the website for us to check in result in secondary school? Definitely no. But in the same time, it's a new way introduced by us to sketching trigonometric graph.
So the first step is determine the shape of the graph. We have 3 types of the graph, which are sine, cosine, and tangent graph. We can determine the shape of the graph by identifying the first alphabet.
For example, the sine graph, we look at the first alphabet, which is S. Does it seem like the shape of the sine graph? After we've mirroring it, we'll realize that it's the shape of the sine graph. This is also same for the cos graph. After we rotate and expand the C in the front of the cos, the shape looks like the cosine graph. And for the tangent graph, we look at the T. So the T will be the main point in the graph and we just expand it from upward and downward. Second step is we look at the amplitude of the graph by looking at the A in the equation. The third step is about the period. We can determine the period by using the equation below. The fourth step is about the shifting of the graph. So there's a 2 case in the graph, which is it is shift in the x-axis and is shift in the y-axis. Last step, which is mirroring, is only used when modulus occur. We'll reflect the graph by using a special way, which is using the calculator.
Let's look about the application of S.A.P.S.M in question. Firstly, we can determine the shape of the graph, which is cosine graph. After that, we write down the amplitude of the graph. Then we calculate the period of the graph. And last, after we sketch the graph, we can just shifting it now.
To apply mirroring, we need a calculator. Just put the calculator on the x-axis and we can see that the reflected image now. So we also construct a website that consists of the element of our innovation. You all can enter the website by scanning the QR code above. So for the gamification part, we can just click on the button in the website and it will lead you into the game we designed. This game is to test the understanding of students in the trigonometric topic. And we also collect opinion from 15 students from Cambridge about our innovation. Most of them think that S.A.P.S.M is a useful way in sketching graph. We also invite the students from other college to comment our innovation.
Using this S.A.P.S.M method has really helped me to understand and sketch the trigo graph better. Learning is easier now and I feel more confident with the complicated questions in this topic. I think that this S.A.P.S.M method can help many others too.
In conclusion, S.A.P.S and app is an easy, interesting, and flexible way in assisting students to sketch trigonometric graph correctly.